Hello, my people. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Depend the country for they watch me. If this is your first time to see my video, may you subscribe, may you share, may you like, may you comment for this video. So that anytime I upload, you go see me my video. As you do so, may God bless you. I don't want shoot video today, but you get what really happen. Wey make me say I won't come upload today video. Because I just there with my phone. I just get message from my phone. The message come tell me say, hello mama, good evening mama. Now I waiting up. He say, I can't ask her, did I know you? He say no, I don't know him. He say me they give advice to men. Make I still give advice to women. Say because many women not sabi bath. May I still talk to women like that. Now say what you mean? They try to insult us. Now he said no, they insult anybody. He said because certain men can say make I give advice to women. He said there was a day when you can't carry one woman. He says he carry the woman go in house now. Which woman can't go there? They reach the house now. The woman they can't say they want make love to each other. As the woman open her body can't get order. Both it so. The body just get order, you understand? The boy said the whole house just get the house can't change order, you understand? So for 3 days, all the whole house is smell. So make I see give women advice, say because some women not sabi take care of their body, they all dey bath, so they don't fit take care of themselves. Not say so make I give the advice. Don't be say they try to insult women. Might talk to women like that. Make I give them this advice. Make at least. If you be woman, say you dey go your boyfriend house, you need to bath very well. Or you get husband, you need to bath very well. Mostly if you dey go bed with your husband or your boyfriend, you go there. You go make woman dey bath at least 2 times a day. No be only woman, say even man too. Some men still dey get order. Some men dey get order. No be only woman dey get order. As women dey get order, and so men too dey get order. You understand? This topic for everybody in general. You understand? So I tell the boy say. Thank you, I will give the advice, but men to get order, you understand? Now make me say, I won't use this mean or give you this advice to both men and women. We need to know how to bath very well. Mostly our body, mostly will be women. At least if you be woman, you get a husband, you want to enter bed with your husband in the night. You go bath very well, put deodorant for your armpits. Bath, wash your teeth 2 times a day. Bath very well because all those kind of men when they call insult person now, they talk to person, it's not good. And even the men too, if you be man, before you go bed with your wife, make you bath too. As you say make women they bath, you too go bath. You bath, you put deodorant for your body. Because man and woman need to bath before they go to bed. It's very important to take care of your body. Because taking care of our body, it go good for our own health too. You understand? You know good make woman they dirty or make man dirty. So because some people don't know what they call deodorant. Like me now. Anytime I see, and they use anytime when I bath now, and they use Nivea. I go take the Nivea rub my armpits. I go take and rub my armpits. It is very good. After Nivea, I say I want to do. I go use perfume. See, I'm perfume. I go take perfume spray on my body. I go take and maintain myself. You go take care of your body very well. Not if your body like that. As a woman, take care of your body. Wash your kpekos well. Buy Intimo to wash your body because so that you no go dey smell because that dey smell. And the only thing again when I want to tell women, if you be woman say you get a vagina where they drop water, they get what they call vagina pad for women when they use vagina where they think they drop water. You take am for your pad so you no go dey drop water so the thing no go dey get odor because the thing dey get odor well. As the man take talk now, the man say. The thing they smell once they carry woman will not bath. Me, I don't say it's not there easy because some women they tired to bath. Like me at the start, the time when they go morning walk, at the start work by 3 o'clock, and they get up 1 o'clock, bath well before I go walk. Make I for not get anything, you understand? You go bath, you go maintain yourself. You go make woman take care of yourself. Buy every month if you not get work, you know they work. Collect money for your husband, 50 euro. Do shopping for yourself. Buy deodorant. Buy perfume, buy things for yourself as what you could use as a woman. And if you be a man, you to get at the end of the month, take care of your body. Not be say the only woman they go say the only woman not the bath. Even men to not the bath. Some men still get order. Not the only woman get order. I beg my women. I hate when men they insult women. I don't like it at all. I hate men insulting women. I don't like it. So even with the man won't quarrel, I even block her from my Facebook. You understand? But as he talk, and it didn't touch me because I'm a woman. So that make me say I won't go and talk to women. Our women, I beg. Take care of your body. Bath very well. Be very neat to yourself. Not keep yourself. Not take yourself do your. Whether you get a husband or you not get a husband, bath yourself. Maintain yourself as a woman. Bath 2 times a day. Wash your teeth 2 times a day. Then wash your kpekus every day. Even if you not bath, wash and pour water inside. Bath. Wash your kpekus. Now that means they call wash and well. Then you go take a sponge. Buy. Don't they use tablet soap? They bath. Buy ordinary liquid soap. Take and wash your body well. Then if you want tablet soap, take and wash only your face. But liquid soap must be for your body. Wash all your body. Wash and scratch all your body, all your armpits, everything. Wash and so you go there neat for yourself. You understand? Put perfume for your body. So anytime when you want what you go dey scent for. I know be say you go dey cover their nose. You know good. Brush your teeth. Wash yourself. Take care of yourself as a woman. You understand? Don't they see me? Take care of yourself. It don't matter. Nobody go feel. If maybe I talk about my age, someone go believe that they will say I look young every day. You understand? Because that's why I go work. They tell the one guy say, I don't think they say, now my daughter. They say no, she not be a daughter. She won't pass you. No, because she doesn't maintain herself. Maintain yourself as a woman. Take care of yourself. Take care of your body. Bath as a woman. Avoid body odor. Avoid body smelling. Avoid those kind of things. Bath yourself. Wash inner of your body. Use water, abundant water. Wash your body, intimate body. Wash and well. Not the net perfume finish for your hand. Perfume must dey me. I get many perfume for my hand. See them. If you come my hand, see them. I dey buy every day. I get different type of perfume. Different types now they buy every day. Different kind of deodorant. See, I dey buy them. I dey buy them to what? To maintain myself. You need to take care of your body. You're not going to smell as a woman. You're not going to smell as a man. Take care of your body. Because some now people now they go just work their money, they can't go keep for Africa. They don't go take care of themselves. Take care of yourself. Every month you come out 50 euro, not be big money. Take and go buy things for yourself. What you go use, your makeup, your cream. Even say you know the makeup, even say you know the raw powder, the women the raw powder. Buy deodorant. Buy deodorant. Buy intimate to wash your body. Buy liquid soap to wash your body. Don't leave your body like that. I beg my women. I beg my women and my men, make una bath. Because not many women they get odor, men too they get odor, make men to get bath. Men, anything what you want go with your wife, make you bath too. I want beg our women. Take care of your body, it's free. You understand? Because I go for my phone, I can't do some recheck, to check things. As a woman, what a woman need to do. He said, make woman you go change your clothes. He said, woman with a wear clean cloth. If you don't bath in the night, you come out all those kind of your thing when you take all your dress, come out. You put new one for your body. You can't dey neat. You understand? The one way if you come back from work, nobody say you go wear one cloth. They go work every day. Change your clothes. Not for market na 2 hours, 3 hours. You go fit buy double. You go wash and you go wear. And nobody say you go wear one cloth for 1 week. Maybe they go work now every day. Now that cloth you go wear from Monday to Saturday. You go wear that cloth. The cloth go smell. The all eat odor go enter that your cloth. I beg my sisters, my sisters and brother, make una change. Not say because now we dey for the last day. Make una dress on ourselves. Because very soon we go answer question on the throne of God. Make una take care of ourselves. Bath, maintain yourself. Buy deodorant. It's not the cost. It's not the cost. Perfume is very good. See them. All this name that they use here. All these ones that they use them to maintain myself. And they buy perfume. You know this here. This is Nivea. For armpit, see them. Take a put for your armpit. It's very good. You go rub cream. I not rub bleaching cream because bleaching cream they give body odor too. If you be woman, not avoid bleaching cream. Not buy ordinary lotion to use. Like me, I dey buy this one Nivea. This one for go tie there. You go buy am. Take and they rub your body. You must not rub bleaching cream. Stop spoiling your skin. So because all those cream they rub, it can give you body odor. I beg women. Not be say I dey talk too much because na wetin that man tell me say he has a smell for 3 days wey take carry woman. Na make me say I come tell our women because they try to insult us wey be women. I don't like am. Now say I must come tell women because the man say make I talk am, make I speak this matter make I no dey talk only men abeg women try to take care of your body is very very important abeg. So I no get what I wan talk too much for today. I say I must upload this my video. Abeg make you take care of your body. It's free of charge. Buy deodorant for yourself every month, perfume every month. Take care of yourself every month abeg, my sisters and brother. No be only women get odor, men still get odor. Men still get body odor and mouth odor. They dey get odor too. I tell the man say both men get odor. So men, women, make una take care of una body. Bath 2 times a day is very good. Brush your teeth every day, 2 times a day, morning and evening. Whether you get husband or you no get husband, bath yourself is very good for your body. Take care of yourself, take care of your body is very important to look fine. Can't you see me? So take care of your body. Me, I dey take care of my body very well. So I go dey shine. So make I try to shine. I beg my people. So I no get what I wan talk too much today. So make I leave una for rest. I beg make una try to bath. Bath. Take care of your body very well. So see you in my next video. Bye.